Welcome to the new generation of Toyota Connect. In this product overview, you will discover more information about new features, advanced services, and a generation of integrations that takes driving a Toyota to the next level. Please note, some of the live features are part of additional paid-for bundles and will be available at a later date. More information and details to follow. Toyota Connect is a fully reimagined and our most advanced connected vehicle multimedia system that puts the user in control. Featuring higher definition displays that are 4 times faster than previous generations of multimedia. Toyota Connect's new premium display and layout offers a fully customizable view with quick settings, notification center, custom widgets, and fixed climate control panel. This ensures that frequently used controls and settings are all to hand when you need them. With time-saving advanced digital services, features such as Smart Digital Key Plus, Drive Recorder, Remote Immobilizer, and a new generation of voice assistant make Toyota Connect a game-changer for the user. With an improved Waze-like navigation system, Toyota Connect can now provide more detail, faster processing, and with optional bundles, real-time advanced navigation features powered by TomTom with Google POI. For the first time, we have integrated Spotify. Users can load their Spotify profile and account and have access to their favorite music, podcast, or audiobooks. Perfect for those longer trips, or when a quick stop is required at a charge point. On the topic of charging, there is now a dedicated charging and battery settings menu, which features all of the essential charging information and settings. For example, battery state of charge, charge scheduling, and preconditioning information, all useful features for plug-in electric vehicles, PHEVs. As you can see, Toyota Connect is a highly advanced system offering great levels of personalization, and with the digital combi meter now synchronized, you can mirror mapping, drive mode changes, and display ADAS information across both high-definition displays. Now, let's look at Smart Digital Key Plus. Another great connected services upgrade as part of the latest Toyota Connect features. Smart Digital Key Plus enhances Toyota's digital access system with native in-phone wallet storage, hands-free operation, smartwatch compatibility, and connectivity using ultra-wideband, Bluetooth, and NFC. It supports up to 7 users and includes an NFC backup card, providing a more convenient way to access the vehicle. Now, let's look at how Smart Digital Key Plus supports passive and active unlocking modes. With passive entry, the vehicle automatically detects your paired smartphone. Simply approach the car and touch the door handle. The vehicle unlocks hands-free without needing to take your phone out of your pocket or use the device's wallet. On compatible devices, NFC may remain available even when the smartphone battery appears depleted, thanks to NFC detection. If passive entry is not available, you can unlock the vehicle by actively using NFC. Walk up to the car and hold your phone close to the door handle until it unlocks. This NFC-based unlocking also works when the smartphone battery appears depleted. You can perform the same NFC unlocking motion with a compatible smartwatch. If the Smart Digital Key Plus is stored in the watch's wallet, simply hold the watch near the door handle to unlock the vehicle. Depending on your device and settings, unlocking may happen passively, hands-free, or actively, either by holding your phone near the door handle with NFC or by using the unlock button in your phone's wallet.